Hello everyone, welcome back. So we were discussing about the apron mechanism in the lathe machine in this our subject metal forming analysis and chapter metal cutting lathes. So I explained about the apron mechanism and how the motion to various parts are given. Like this is here you can see the feed motion to carriage over here to the lathe, then cross motion over here that is given to the cross slide, and also the thread cutting the thread mechanism. So you can these are the topics up to this we discussed. We were discussing about the principal units. Now in the apron, so the first we discussed the basic, then the manual feed. Manual feed is provided by the carriage wheel, held wheel over here. Secondly, discussed about the this is also hand wheel for manual. Then there is automatic feed. There is one automatic feed selector. Okay, for U position we will get the automatic feed of the carriage. Okay, then there is automatic feed to cross slide, then half nut, lever and lead screw. So up to this I explained. Now let us start with today's lecture. So uh, in today's topic we are going to discuss about the headstock and the gearing arrangement inside the headstock. So you have seen the different configuration. सब अलग अलग लेथ के अंदर डिफरेंट लेथ्स में डिफरेंट अरेंजमेंट यहाँ पे देखने को मिलेगी, क्योंकि लेथ का जो हेड स्टॉक है वो उसका पावर हाउस है। मतलब जो भी यहाँ पे जॉब फिट होगा वो चक के अंदर फिट होगा, और जो रोटेशनल पावर है, ठीक है, वो कहाँ से दी जाएगी, तो यहाँ पे हेड स्टॉक है वहां से सप्लाई की जाएगी। So headstock is permanently fastened to inner ways at the left hand end of the bed. लेफ्ट हैंड एंड के ऊपर ये परमानेंटली फास्टनड होगा। इट सर्व्स टू सपोर्ट स्पिंडल एंड ड्राइविंग अरेंजमेंट। फर्स्ट थिंग, इट supports the spindle and driving arrangement. All lathes receive their power through headstock, which may be equipped with a stepped cone pulley or gearhead drive. The modern lathes are provided with all gear type headstock to get large variations of spindle speeds. जो भी सारे के सारे लेथ्स हैं वो कहाँ से पावर उनको मिलेगी? थ्रू हेडस्टॉक। और उसके अंदर या तो पुली टाइप अरेंजमेंट होगी, ठीक है, जिसमें स्टेप्ड वे में पुलीज होगी, या तो फिर गियरिंग हेड। जो भी मॉडर्न लेथ्स हैं उनके अंदर गियर टाइप हेड स्टॉक ही यूज होगा विथ लार्ज वेरिएशन ऑफ स्पिंडल स्पीड्स। गियर टाइप अरेंजमेंट का बेनिफिट ये है कि हमको जो नंबर ऑफ स्पीड जो हमको पॉसिबल मिलेगी वो इंक्रीज हो जाएगी, ठीक है। सो दैट इज द बेनिफिट ऑफ गियर टाइप हेडस्टॉक। देन इन ऑर्डर टू अलाउ long bars or work holding devices to pass through, headstock spindle is made hollow। मतलब जो लॉन्ग बार और वर्कपीस है, वर्क होल्डिंग डिवाइसेस, अगर वो हेडस्टॉक के भी पीछे अगर जा सके तो उसको हेडस्टॉक को यहाँ पे होलो बनाया जाता है, ताकि अगर लॉन्ग बार है तो उसको हम पीछे की ओर एक्सटेंड कर सके। और टेपर्ड स्लीव फिट्स इनटू टेपर्ड स्पिंडल होल। जो टेपर्ड स्लीव है वो यहाँ पे टेपर्ड स्पिंडल होल के अंदर फिट हो जाएगी। The headstock is the source of power for tool and workpiece. Okay, both for tool and workpiece, the headstock is power of source. And a stock is part of lathe which is located at the left side of the operator. And headstock of lathe consists of driving pulleys, back gears, bearings to support machine spindle and gear. Okay, so there is bearing over here that is used to support this machine spindle and gears, then driving pulley and back gears. Now here are the some written functions of headstock. First is to support the spindle. Secondly, to provide different speed to spindle. जो हमारे स्पिंडल है उसको डिफरेंट स्पीड प्रोवाइड करना। टू कैरी ड्राइविंग मैकेनिज्म, जो ड्राइविंग मैकेनिज्म है उसको कैरी करना। ठीक है, सो दीज आर दी थ्री फंक्शंस ऑफ हेडस्टॉक। नेक्स्ट, बैक गियर हेडस्टॉक। दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइप ऑफ द हेडस्टॉक। The here in the back geared headstock you can see a stepped cone type pulley. Okay, this is the cone shape, okay, of pulleys. Number of pulley are used 1 2 3 4 over here, and there is gearing arrangement as well. Now this pulley, or we can say, that is used to change the speed. Okay, for changing speed this various diameter of pulley are used and the belt is shifted from the one pulley to another to change the speed. The cone pulley in headstock give three possible spindle speeds. यहाँ पे तीन पॉसिबल स्पिंडल स्पीड मिलेगी जो भी कोन पुल्ली है उसके लिए। When the spindle speed slower than those obtained by direct belt drive are required, especially for thread cutting, back gear in brought into operation। जो यहाँ पे बैक गियर है, ये यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो कि बैक गियर कब हम यूज करेंगे, when the spindle slower than those obtained by the direct belt drive required। जो स्पिंडल स्पीड है उसका जो पावर है यहाँ पे, ये जो हमारी स्पिंडल है वो नॉर्मल जो डायरेक्ट बेल्ट ड्राइव से जो हमको रोटेशनल स्पीड मिलेगी उससे हमको अगर कम स्पीड चाहिए तो जो बैक गियरिंग अरेंजमेंट है उसका यूज करेंगे। बैक गियर doubles the number of speeds by providing the same number of slower speeds। सो जो बैक गियर है वो क्या करेगा कि जो नंबर ऑफ स्पीड्स है वो उसको डबल कर देगा। बैक गियर डबल्स द नंबर ऑफ स्पीड्स बाय प्रोवाइडिंग सम नंबर ऑफ स्लोअर स्पीड्स। यहाँ पे जो सपोज तीन थी तो यहाँ पे बैक गियर की मदद से तीन हमको और स्पीड मिल जाएगी लेकिन वो स्लोअर मिलेगी। This slower speed helps turning large diameter of workpiece and to take heavier cuts। Thread on job are cut using back gear। जो थ्रेड्स है वो बैक गियर से ही कट किए जाते हैं क्योंकि उसमें स्पीड जो है वो कम रखनी है। When the back gear is engaged in the spindle, speed reduces considerably। जब हम बैक गियर को एंगेज करेंगे द स्पिंडल स्पीड रिड्यूसेस कंसिडरेबली। सो यहाँ पे जो स्पिंडल स्पीड है वो कम हो जाएगी। सो इट्स यूज्ड व्हेन नेसेसरी टू हैव स्लोअर स्पीड ऑफ स्पिंडल दैट कैन नॉट अदरवाइज बी ऑब्टेन्ड बाय डायरेक्ट स्पीड। जब डायरेक्ट स्पीड से हमको जो स्पीड अचीव करनी है उतनी स्लो स्पीड अगर नहीं मिलेगी तभी बैक गियर का यूज किया जाएगा. Now let's see one video so you can understand about the back gear headstock. So here is this, there are 4 belts and this is the back gear arrangement. You can see first here it is one shaft, how the mounting, this is one design diagram 3D. Okay, so you can see there is one bearing over here. Okay, complete bearing which is over which this stepped cone pulley is mounted. Then there are gears. Okay, this is the over. Okay, large diameter gear, this is the smaller gear. There is one keyway. Okay, the key is inserted and fixed. Another shaft parallel to it and opposite gear, which is, suppose this is rotating, the motion power transmitted to this needs to be returned to the backside again. Okay, so what will happen if we want to reduce the speed? Okay, so here suppose this is rotating in clockwise direction, this will rotating, this will suppose rotating in the anti-clockwise direction, so that will be rotating in the same anti-clockwise direction. Okay, this will be in the also in the anti-clockwise and this will be also in the anti-clockwise, but here it will be rotating in the anti-clockwise direction, but the speed will be reduced. Okay, this is the assembly of back gear headstock in the design part, how it is assembled. Okay, and over here we will be having the spindle which is connected. Okay, connected to the chuck. Okay, here you can see this is chuck, small chuck over here. Then there is belts are inserted. These belts are used to supply the power. Various diameter of belts are used for various speed. Okay, so this is how the power goes back to this. Okay, this by back gear arrangement. So this is the back gear arrangement. Now next type is the all geared headstock. Now the modern and especially larger lathe incorporate all gear headstock, enabling the spindle speed to be readily changed by the operator of external handles or levers. By the operation of external handles or levers. जो डायग्राम था हेडस्टॉक का उसमें हमने देखा था कि यहाँ पे जो हेडस्टॉक है मॉडर्न हेडस्टॉक में, यहाँ पे जो लीवर्स है या फिर ये बटन्स जो है दिए हैं, उसको ऑपरेट करके जो हम स्पीड है वो इजीली चेंज कर सकते हैं. Speed changes on most geared head lathe may be made only while machine is stopped. स्पीड चेंज अभी वो तो मालूम ही होगा आपको, गाड़ी चलाते होगे तो जो कार के अंदर जो गियर है वो क्लच करके ही चेंज करने पड़ते. अगर क्लच ना हो तो अगर गियर चेंज करना हो तो कब कर सकते हैं, जब कार रुकी हुई हो. ठीक है, वर्किंग कंडीशन में हम गियर चेंज नहीं कर सकते. तो सेम हियर, there is no clutch arrangement in this lathe machine, so we have to stop every time and then change the gear. Gear wheels are located on the splines on spindle, and lay shafts are are brought into mesh by appropriate lever. Okay, so appropriate lever का यूज करके उनको कांटेक्ट में लाया जाता है. Lubrication is usually provided by the splash from an oil bath in boxed headstock. Okay, जो जैसे इंजन ऑयल में लुब्रिकेशन यूज होता है स्प्लैश, वैसे ही यहाँ पे बॉक्स हेडस्टॉक के अंदर ऑयल बाथ एक रखा होता है और उसमें स्प्लैश लुब्रिकेशन से लुब्रिकेशन होता है. ऑयल लीवर must be frequently checked and a dipstick or observation window being provided for this purpose. Okay, now let us see, this is the all gear arrangement. Similarly, the design is over here. There is three different shafts, okay, over which the gears are mounted. Here there are three gears on the first shaft, secondly also three gear, and here also three gears. Okay, but the spacing, these two are connected with this and these two are also connected with this, but these are fixed to this position and this can slide, these three gears can slide and these three gears can slide. Okay, so they can slide like this. Okay, they can slide and come in contact with this gear and give power to this central, this is connected to the shaft. So this is how the gearing, when it is in the center position, this will transmit the power. Okay, from here to here to here. Okay, but when it is connected, this is the main spindle. Now the next gearing arrangement for the same, if we keep and change the gear over here, we can transmit the power. By changing this we can change the speed. So various combinations of gear diameter are used to change the speed. Here you can see. So this is about the all gear headstock. Okay, so this is it for today's lecture. Thank you very much for listening me carefully. Have a nice day.